Lesson 10 involves using the CSS and HTML that we already know to create a variety of menus. So you're going to be using the HTML and CSS in a little different way, but the commands are all commands that you already know. So there is nothing to read from the textbook. You're going to go into the menu lecture demo, and this gives you a little review on unordered lists because unordered lists are one of the ways that we create menus. And so then you will see lots and lots of examples along with code and CSS used to create the examples. So you'll see vertical menus, you'll see horizontal menus, different layouts, submenus. You will also see pull down menus. So you will be learning how to do that as well. And finally, we get to how to add menu icons. So you'll learn a couple different places where you can go to access icons, and you will learn how to put them in your page. Okay, and you can see that I've got a vertical one and a horizontal one. In addition to using kind of the vector icons, you can use HTML code to create symbols. So the HTML entities that are displayed here will create these symbols over on the right. So this is another menu bar created using HTML entities. And then finally, you'll learn how to create kind of a neat little menu that if you point, the menu commands slide out. So you'll learn how to do that as well. And once you go through the lecture demo, you can go through the textbook assignment. And so what I've done is I'm giving you basically an entire structure. So I'm giving you all these files, a media folder and a CSS folder, and it's in a zipped file. So if you're not familiar with how to decompress these, the video shows you how. And then to create a menu, you will be going in and you will be modifying the CSS. Then you're going to take that structure and you'll copy it and save the folder under a different name. And then you are going to, instead of using the CSS or the HTML elements for styling, you're going to use IDs. So you're basically going to create the same type of menu using IDs instead of elements. Okay, and this is going to require that you also go into the pages and add the IDs to the HTML. This next example has you doing a horizontal menu with pull down. So when you point, the pull down menu displays. So you will see how to do that. And then you will learn how to do an icon bar. You will be adding an icon bar to this page that you need to download. And you'll see this page has pull down menus, and you're going to be putting an icon bar at the bottom of the page. And then finally, you are going to be doing those side tab sliders that we just looked at in the lecture demo. You will be adding them to this particular page that you will be downloading. And so these are animated through CSS, and you're going to be positioning some sliding tabs above them. to simulate or create a menu. So that is the textbook assignment. And then for the lab assignment, you are going to convert your assignment page into a page with pull down menus. So this is kind of what it's going to look like when you're done. You'll have a section for your textbook assignments and a section for your lab assignments. And when we point to any of the lessons, we should see a pull down menu. So the video does walk you through how to do this. So I would definitely watch that. And then I'm kind of showing you by highlighting how you need to set up this structure so it'll work. And then at the bottom of your assignment page, you are going to do an icon navigation bar. So that's what mine looks like, and you are going to have your own. Now, don't just simply copy this and paste it without changing the links, because I don't want links to my social media. If you don't have social media, you can have a link to something else, or you can just link to the main site. But don't include mine because these need to be your links. Okay, then you will update your page with the links, transfer everything, and enter done into the Dropbox. If you run into problems or have questions this week, please let me know because I am happy to help you, and have a great week.